Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can order various interesting collectible post stamps, postcards and various India Post related items. So this is a thematic gift box puppets of India. So this is an interesting stamp collection that you can order. So the price is 600 rupees. You can place an order from here, thematic gift box. So what all things are included in it, I will show it to you. So let me go back. So now if you go to products, you can see commemorative Ram Janmabhoomi stamps. There is various kinds of stamps that is available. Now these are other products that is available. So now if you want postcards or you need definitive stamps, you can click on it. These are commemorative postcards from Ram Janmabhoomi, souvenir sheets, Sri Ram Janmabhoomi. So if you want, you can go ahead and place an order here. So this is souvenir sheet Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple stamps that is available. So this is issued by India Post. So this is PPS sheet Mother Teresa. Now if you look at this postcards, you can see various other interesting postcards. This is picture postcard of Happy Easter. Now let me show you other interesting commemorative postcards. This is national flag also is available if somebody wants to order. See this. Now if I show you the augmented reality picture postcard, then there are customized my stamp that is available here. So let me see what is that customized my stamp. The platform is a little slow though, the website. Okay, so this is augmented reality picture postcard set, Headgears of India, the beautiful design in the augmented reality postcard set. Okay, so this is customized my stamp, JNTU College of Engineering. This customized my stamp, Samvidhan Sahitya. So let's see what does it mean by this customized post stamps. So this is the beautiful design India augmented reality picture. So this India Post issued a customized my stamp on Samvidhan Sahita Vatika. Then you have, what is this, block of 4. Let's explore various gift items available here in India Post website. So as I mentioned, okay, so this is premium letter kit. So if you want a letter kit, then India Maldives handmade notepad. This is the letter kit from India Post which they are selling there. Now if I want special cover, customized special cover, I can get that from there. Now let me show you a few other things. Presentation pack, commemorative postage stamp miniature sheet. These are very interesting. See, now if you look at this miniature sheets, Women's College of Delhi, anniversary of Mahatma, miniature sheet terracotta temples of India, Indian perfumes miniature sheets, Indian Republic of Korea joint issued stamps. Okay, so these are interesting stamp collection. In calendar you have ancillaries calendar. Now if I go to products and search for something other things, first day cover issued. Okay, some things are available, some things may not be available. Okay, this is India Post thematic calendar. Now if I go here and search for commemorative postage stamp souvenir sheet. Okay, so this is souvenir sheet postcards. This is the calendar I was talking about. So if you like any of these items, you can go ahead and order from India Post. So if I search for India Post commemorative stamps and gifts, I think in search, I think you should be able to see much more in detail. See these various kinds of postage stamps that was available. Check out, it's interesting. I hope it's useful. and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the show.